Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to practice English together, step by step. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will guide you slowly. We will use something called the listen and repeat method. That means I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Okay? Ready? Speaking out loud is very important. When you speak, your brain starts to remember how words sound naturally. This helps you speak with confidence. Improve your pronunciation. Talk with native speakers easily. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's start. This will be fun and easy. You will enjoy it. Arriving at a cafe or restaurant. Imagine this, you are walking into a small, cozy cafe. The smell of coffee is in the air, maybe some fresh bread too, so nice. You want a table. Let's practice some sentences. Repeat after me, slowly, a table for two, please. Can we sit by the window? Do you have a reservation? Yes, it's under Farhan. No, we don't. How long is the wait? Is this table free? Can we have a high chair for a child? Okay, let's imagine a full conversation. I will say both sides slowly. You repeat after me. I say, hello. A table for two, please. Waiter says, do you have a reservation? I say, no, we don't. Waiter says, no problem. You can wait 10 minutes. I say, thank you very much. Notice, I am smiling while speaking. You should do that too. Smiling makes your voice friendly and warm. Now, repeat this conversation 3 times slowly. Great! Keep going, you're doing very well. Ordering drinks and food, now, you are sitting at your table. Everything looks beautiful. Maybe there are flowers, maybe candles, nice, right? It's time to order food. Let's practice sentences. Repeat after me slowly. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken salad, please. Can I have it without onions? Can we have some water, please? Is this dish gluten-free? Do you have any specials today? Imagine a real conversation. Here we go. I say, can I see the menu, please? Waiter says, yes. Here it is. Would you like a recommendation? I say, what do you recommend today? Waiter says, our grilled chicken is very popular. I say, I'll have that, please, without onions. Notice. I say, please softly and politely. That is very important. You are not just saying words, you are showing kindness and respect. Now, repeat each sentence 3 to 4 times slowly. Imagine you are in the cafe, smelling the food, feeling happy. Let's take a short pause, breathe, okay, now continue. Asking about ingredients and food details, sometimes, you need to ask about ingredients or special food. Very important if you have allergies, or you just want healthy food. Repeat after me. Is this dish vegetarian? Does this contain nuts? What is the soup of the day? Is it spicy? Is this dairy-free? How is this dish prepared? Example conversation. I say, excuse me, is this dish vegetarian? Waiter says, yes, it is vegetarian. I say, thank you very much. Notice how soft and polite I say, thank you very much. That makes your English sound real, human, and friendly. Repeat these sentences slowly 3 times. Imagine yourself smiling at the waiter. During the meal, compliments and requests, the food is here. Wow, it smells amazing. Delicious. Let's practice sentences you can use during the meal. Excuse me, can we get some more napkins? Everything is great, thank you. Could I have more water, please? Could I have extra sauce? Can you check if my order is ready? Example conversation, I say, everything is great, thank you. Waiter asks, do you want extra sauce? I say, yes, please, thank you. Notice. I am smiling, happy. I am polite. This makes your English friendly and warm. Repeat each sentence 3 times slowly. Imagine the food, the smell, the happy feeling. It makes your voice natural. Paying the bill. After eating, it's time to pay. These sentences are very useful. Repeat after me slowly. Could we have the check, please? Do you accept credit cards? Can we split the bill? Keep the change. Is service included? Can I pay with my phone? Example conversation, I say, could we have the check, please? Waiter says, do you want to split the bill? I say, yes, and can I pay with my phone? Repeat 3 to 4 times. Imagine smiling, saying thank you. Your voice will sound friendly and relaxed. Practicing with a native speaker. One of the best ways to speak English well is practicing with a native speaker. Platforms like Italki are very helpful. You can choose a teacher you like. Speak one-on-one. Ask questions freely. Get real-time feedback. Example conversation. Teacher, hi. How are you today? I say, I am good, thank you. How are you? Teacher, I'm great. Let's practice some fun sentences today. Speaking with a real person makes your English natural, confident, and relaxed. Remember, speak slowly, clearly, and smile. Imagine a friendly conversation. This will make your English human and real. Outro. Congratulations! You practiced real-life English today. Keep repeating these sentences every day. If you want to speak confidently with native speakers, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.